The era of Mad Men-style marketing executives telling us what to buy is over. Brands today are selling content created by UGC creators. But wait, what are UGC creators? In a nutshell, they're people who get paid to create content for brands.
Duh.
I know what you're thinking. Don't brands hire mega celebrities and influencers like Kim Kardashian to promote their work? Look, it's true that some influencers can get paid a lot of money for brand deals. But if you're not a mega influencer like Kim Kardashian, Vogue isn't gonna be calling you to be on the cover next month. However, you can still make money promoting brands by becoming a user-generated content creator. That's because the appeal of UGC is that it's about content created by regular people. While some big brands will always want to work with celebrity influencers, many smaller brands are forging partnerships with UGC creators. But why are some companies so keen on getting the person next door to promote their stuff?
Well,
one reason is that it's more affordable than using celebrities. The other is that using regular people resonates on a different level. Imagine your friend telling you about a new skincare product that made their skin feel buttery soft and their wrinkles less visible, or a new keto coffee that led them to losing 10 pounds without changing their diet, or a $7 affiliate marketing course that turned their Netflix time into a $1,000 a month side hustle. You're likely to take their word for it over a flashy ad, right? And that's the magic of UGC creators. They're just like one of your friends popping up in your TikTok or Instagram feed. They're real, they're relatable, and they're just sharing bits of their lives that resonate with yours. As a consequence, they make things feel personal, less about making a sale and more about sharing a good find. So what's happening with UGC in 2024? This year, we're predicting an even bigger shift towards inclusivity and embracing diverse voices rather than brands picking one big name UGC creator to showcase their products. Already, we're seeing companies with a lineup of micro-influencers vibing with different slices of their audience. Brands are catching on that it's crucial to find people that fit different segments of their audience that they can really gel with. In terms of inclusivity, some of the most standout UGC stars are definitely not fitting into the old school image of what a brand ambassador is supposed to look like. And that's pretty much their superpower. It's not necessarily about looking like a model or being smooth on camera. Some UGC creators remind us that it's okay to be yourself, imperfections and all. The most important thing for UGC is real-world authenticity. This plays out in advertising as well as organic content. 84% of consumers say they trust their peer recommendations above all other sources of advertising, according to Nielsen. So we can see that this makes UGC incredibly useful for brands. But how does it benefit creators? Well, one advantage for creators is that they don't have to build a following to make the money. That's because once they create the content, they send it to the brand, who is then responsible for distributing it. That's not to say that you can't become successful in your own right through UGC. When Instagram user UGC with Laura started out, she went to $6,500 in monthly income within 3 months. She now has more than 45,000 followers and teaches others how to make money with UGC. Wow. So yeah, Kim Kardashian might grab millions of dollar bills with just one tweet. But UGC creators are living proof that you don't have to be a household name to make an impact. In the end, UGC is a win-win for brands and creators. Brands get authentic shout-outs without spending a ton on expensive celebrities. And for creators, no need for massive following. Your creativity is your currency. Have you tried making money with UGC? Tell us about your experiences in the comments. We would love to hear them. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel where you'll get more videos about digital marketing, marketing data and analytics, data visualization tips and tricks, and all great content you need to become a great marketer.